Hello everyone and welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to cancel Netflix auto payment. Open Google Chrome and go to netflix.com. Sign into your Netflix account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on the three lines located in the top left corner. Select Account from the menu. It is important to note that Netflix doesn't have a specific option to cancel automatic payments directly. However, there are two solutions to manage this. You can adjust the billing date associated with your Netflix account. This can help manage when your payments are deducted. If you want to completely stop automatic payments, you can cancel your Netflix membership. Scroll down on the account settings page until you find the option to cancel membership. Click on Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm. Netflix will display a message confirming the cancellation and the date until which you can still access Netflix content. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.